Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video. Today's question seems difficult, but it can be solved within 2 minutes. Not because it is easy, but because we can make use of the answer of the previous video. First, rewrite the numerator become natural log x squared plus 4 divided by x, while denominator remain the same, which is x squared plus 4. Using logarithm rules, we know that natural log a over b is equals to natural log a minus b. Therefore, we can rewrite the numerator and then split the integrand become 2 parts. Part number 1, the integrand is natural log x squared plus 4 divided by x squared plus 4. While for the part number 2, it is negative natural log x divided by x squared plus 4. Label them as j and k respectively, which means q equals to j minus k. In my last video 2-3 days ago, we successfully proven that integral 0 to infinity natural log x squared plus alpha squared divided by x squared plus beta squared dx is equals to pi over beta and then multiply natural log beta plus alpha. In our case, the alpha equals to 2 and beta also equals to 2. That gives us j equals to pi divided by 2 and then multiply natural log 4, which can be simplified become pi multiply natural log 2. Meanwhile, in my another previous video 3-4 weeks ago, we know that integral 0 to infinity natural log x divided by x squared plus beta squared dx is equals to pi multiply natural log beta divided by 2 beta. In our case, beta equals to 2. Therefore, k equals to pi multiply natural log 2 divided by 4. So now we have j and k. We know q is equals to j minus k. Conclusion of this video, final answer of this question is equals to 3 pi natural log 2 divided by 4. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please continue support my channel, subscribe, give a like and share my video in your social media. See you soon for new video. Bye bye.